Just okay, I'm going to share my screen. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope so. Okay, good. So this is the 71st problem. Other than 70 no. So this in the problem yareல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கீங்க equation of a common tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared minus 6x equal to 0 and the parabola y squared equal to 4x. So what is the equation of the common tangent to these two curves? யாரு try பண்ணீங்க? Is there anybody who can explain this? No. யாரும் ட்ரை பண்ணலையா? Santana Mariraj?
Yes, sir. The 71 I omitted, sir, because I have no idea about this.
அப்படியா? Okay. Easy தானே. உங்களுக்கு இது நடத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? Circle, parabola.
Sir, 11th, sir. So I have forgot something. I want to revise it.
இது இருக்கே 12th இருக்கே இது. இப்பதானே இப்போ last couple of months back we were discussing this conics, circles இதெல்லாம்.
No, sir. For CBC,
oh,
sir.
நீங்க CBSE க்கு 11th இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but still you have to be thorough with the 11th portions also.
Yes, sir. I want to revise it, sir.
Yeah. What about Sundaresan or others? Varsha or anybody else? Shweta?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me do it for you. See, so we can first of all let us see what is let us see the circle x square plus y square minus 6x equal to 0. So in the equation வச்சு இந்த சர்க்கிளோட radius and center சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who can tell? சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
Sir, root 6x வந்து radius, sir.
6 radius, huh?
Root 6x.
Root 6. Okay. Center?
Zero, 0.
Sir, no, sir.
No, this is not the correct answer, Santana Mariraj. Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, center வந்து 3,0, sir.
Okay. And radius?
Sir, radius வந்து 3, sir.
Radius 3. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம எப்படி இதை பண்ணணும்னா all we have to do is put the x terms together, y terms together. X square minus 6x plus y square equal to 0. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம்? x square minus 6xக்கு என்ன பண்ணா இது perfect square ஆகும். ஸோ இது வந்து x square plus 9 போடணும். ஏன்னா 3 ஸ்கொயர். அப்போ x minus 3 whole square வந்து plus 9 போட்டால் வந்துடும் இல்லையா? பிகாஸ் இது 3ங்கும் போது a plus b the whole, a minus b the whole square வந்துடும். இது 2a, right? 2ab. So இது y ஸ்கொயருக்கு ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம் அப்படியே, பிகாஸ் there is no y term, just y square is there, so we can leave it as such. ஸோ இங்கே +9 நம்ம போட்டிருக்கிறதுனால இங்கேயும் நம்ம +9 போடணும் இல்லையா? ரெண்டு சைடும் ஈக்குவேஷனில் நம்ம சேம் ஃபிகரை தான் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ அவ்வளோதான். இப்போ இது சிம்பிளிஃபைஸ் டு x minus 3 whole square plus y square equal to 3 square. ஸோ அதனால இந்த ரேடியஸ் வந்து 3, சென்டர் வந்து 3,0. ஓகே. இப்போ let us look at this parabola y square minus 4x, y square equal to 4x. So y square minus 4x and the parabola, how will it, where will its vertex be and how will it look like? Y square equal to 4x.
Origin, sir.
It will face
Open rightwards, sir.
Open to, yes, open to this way, right side. And origin will, vertex will be at the origin. Okay. So y square equal to 4ax, a equal to 1. So அதோட focus வந்து இங்க இருக்கும். Okay, whereas the circle is having the center at 3, 0. And its radius is 3. Anala it is going something like this. Not drawing it perfectly, drawing something like this. Okay, it will be something like this. Appo இது b போயிட்டு இருக்கும். The common tangent will be something like this. இங்க ஒன்னு இருக்கும், அதே மாதிரி இங்க ஒன்னு இருக்கும். So you already see that this is a common tangent. That y-axis is a common tangent. So there are 3 common tangents. என்ன question கேட்டிருக்காங்க? Equation of the common tangent. So y-axis அந்த option கொடுக்கல அவங்க. Therefore it is one of the other 2 தான். So now we have to find out the equation of this straight line. Okay, what we can do in the parabola க்கு tangent ஓட equation நம்ம எழுதுவோம். எழுதிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த circle ஓட நம்ம compare பண்ணலாம். So once we know the equation of this straight line, if it has to be the tangent to the circle also, then the circle's radius should be equal to the distance from this line to the center. So on the condition which number solve pannidalam. Okay, so let us say this point where this tangent touches the parabola, let us say this is x1 comma y1. Okay, but now we know that y square equal to 4ax. Yeah, that means x equal to y square by 4. So அதனால இது x1 y1 அப்படின்னு எழுதுறதுக்கு பதிலா நம்ம இப்படி எழுதிடலாம். When y equal to y1, x will be y1 square divided by 4. Okay, so this is the point, y1 square by 4 and y1. Now in the equation of the parabola, y square equal to 4x. So what is the slope of that at this point, x1 comma y1? Slope, there is a formula for slope given in your book. அதெல்லாம் கூட தேவையில்லை. Since it's a simple differentiation, we know that the derivative at this point is the slope. So அதனால நம்ம எப்படி simply we can do that differentiation. 2y
4 by y1.
1 minute, let me just do it. 2y equal to 4 or dy by dx equal to 2 by y. So we assumed that that point is y1 square by 4 comma y1. So அங்க value of y வந்து y1 ன்னு இருக்கு. அதனால இந்த இடத்துல இதோட ஸ்லோப் வந்து 2 by y1 அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. So now what is the equation of this straight line? Now we know that its slope is y1 square by 4 comma y1. The slope is 2 by y1 and it passes through this point, y1 square by 4 comma y1. So இதை வச்சுட்டு we can write the equation of this line in terms of y1. So let's do that. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to slope. Yeah, this is the equation of the tangent. இதை நம்ம கொஞ்சம் simplify பண்ணி we'll write it like a proper equation of a straight line. Okay. So cross multiply பண்ணா y1 minus y1 square equal to 2x minus y1 square divided by 2. So இதை நம்ம ரெண்டால multiply பண்ணுவோம். Now we'll put the terms x and y and constants together. So we'll bring everything to the right hand side. Okay. So 4x minus 2y1 into y in the term. Okay. When the 2y1 square inga போறபோது plus ஆயிடும், இங்க ஒரு minus இருக்கு, அதனால plus y1 square. So we have got it in the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form.
Sir, minus y1 square varada sir.
1 minute. So I am bringing this to the other side. No? So 4x minus 2y y1 plus 2y1 square. Yeah? When this comes. So minus y1 square. Right? So plus y1 square then.
Okay, sir.
So, this is A, this is your B, and this is your C. So, A, B, C. We got it in this form. Minus 2y1 then B. Okay. So, the point that we are considering is the center. So, what is the distance of center of the circle from this line? So, what is that? Center of circle path already 3, 0. So we have to find out the distance of this line from the center and equate it to the radius, which is 3. Okay. So distance of this line from this point. So what is the formula for that? So instead of x, you put the x1. So that is 4 into 3. Minus 2y1 into 0 plus y1 square whole divided by square root of 4 square plus 2y1 the whole square, 4y1 square. We have to equate this to 3. Right? So a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c whole divided by square root of a square plus b square. So that is the distance formula. So now we can solve for y1 from this. Okay. Is the magnitude. So number square பண்ணும்போது in the mod will go away. Okay. So when we square it, this becomes so let's expand this 144 plus 24 y1 square y1 to the power of 4 equal to 144 plus 36y1 square. So this 144 gets cancelled. So what you get, let's bring this 36y square to the left hand side. y1 to the power of 4 minus 12y1 square equal to 0. That means so either y1 equal to 0 or y1 equal to plus or minus root 12. Right? So this we can write as 2 root 3. So this is the point. We have determined that point y1. So equation of the straight line number 4. That's what they want, right? Equation of the tangent, common tangent. So what is the equation of the tangent? That is here, right? This is the equation of the tangent. Okay. So we have to substitute the value of y1 in this. 4x minus 2y y1 plus y1 square. Okay. So substitute y1 equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Means what you get is 4x plus or minus 4 root 3 y plus 4 into 3. So this is the equation. 4x plus or minus 4 plus root 3 y plus 12 equal to 0. So there are two lines. So the plus represents one line and minus represents the other line. So in options கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So 4x okay. Yeah, we can divide this by 4. So then what will happen? X plus or minus root 3y plus 3 equal to 0. X plus or minus 3 root 3y, x plus or minus root 3y x, if you take the option equal to
B, sir.
plus 3. So option B matches with that, right? X minus root 3y plus 3 equal to 0. The other options don't match. Okay. So only that option 3 will match. Okay. X minus root 3y plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the next problem. Hope you are all with me on that, right? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Let's look at this problem. Linear equation, system of linear equations. So x plus y plus z equal to 2, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus a square minus 1z equal to a plus 1. So the options are when a equal to 4 and mod a equal to root 3. So ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன்ல தான் evaluate பண்ண சொல்றாங்க இந்த equations. Okay. So let's do both. So let's put a equal to 4 and see what happens. If you put a equal to 4, what will happen? A equal to 4. So 16 minus 1. A plus 1. Okay. So this is what you get. So does it have any solution? Does it have the two options given are is inconsistent? Infinite solutions?
The
Can
unique
you-
solution, sir.
Another?
Unique solution.
Unique solution, yes. Because in the rental line, we see that z equal to 0, right? So immediately we can see that plus 2z equal to 5 plus 5z is also 15z is also equal to 5. 2x plus 3y plus so either we add 2z or 15z, it's still the same results. We get z equal to 0. So once you put z is equal to 0, we get two equations: x plus y equal to 2, 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So they are distinct equations. We can solve for them. You get x and y. So this is a unique solution. So on the option illa idla. So inconsistent illa, infinite solutions illa. So let's look at the other option. A equal to mod a equal to root 3. Okay. Mod a equal to root 3 அப்படினா a square will be 3. So 3 minus 1, 2 is z னு வரும் இப்போ. Equal to right hand side a plus 1. So root 3 plus 1. So what does this equation tell us?
So inconsistent.
This is inconsistent. Because same 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 5, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to some other value. This will not match for any value of x, y, and z. Okay. So therefore, this is inconsistent. So which option will you choose? Option number
It's a D, sir.
D. That's all. Let's look at this. Okay. Looks like Satanamaraj, you had done this problem. You could have told me. Did you do this problem before?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you tell me. Then you can explain it. So I will give you the opportunity to explain. So.
Sir.
Yeah, இந்த problem யாராவது போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? In the fractional part of the number 2 to the power of 403 by 15 is k by 15. Then what is the value of k?
No, sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Which lesson, sir, it belongs to this question, 73rd?
புரியல சந்தானம்.
Sir, எந்த லெசன்ல வந்திருக்கு 73rd ஓட question?
ஓ, இது பைனாமியல் தியரம்மா. Okay, kind of finding out the reminders. இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டிருக்கோம் நம்ம கிளாஸ்லயே. Finding out the reminders using the binomial theorem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anybody else? We have done similar problems in our class.
Okay, sir.
So வேற யாரோ ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? சுந்தரேசன் or Shweta or
No, sir.
Santosh? Anybody? Okay. So in my what we do no 2 to the power of 403 by 15 இல்லையா? இப்போ 15 அப்படின்னு இருக்கு, இந்த 2 to the power of னு இருக்கு. So immediately you can see that okay 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 16 to the power of 8 னா அது 15 plus 1 அப்படின்னு எழுதிடலாம் அது. I'll explain that. Okay. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 4 whole to the power of எவ்வளவு எழுதலாம் 100. இந்த 400 வந்துடும். இப்படி எழுதிடலாம். கரெக்ட்? 403. So this is what you should do always. If it is 15, you try to find out one number which is plus or minus 1. So இது வந்து இப்போ 15 plus 1 whole to the power of 100 னு எழுதலாம். Okay. So the moment you write like this 15 to the power of 100 or expansion என்ன வரும்? First term 15 to the power of 100. அடுத்த term வந்து 100C1 into 15 to the power of 99. அப்படியே போய்ட்டு எல்லாமே 15 to the power of 100 அப்புறம் 99, 98, 99 அப்படி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். So every term will be divisible by 15. Only the last term 1 will not be divisible by 15. All other terms are divisible by 15. So அதனால if you take this number and divide by 15, the remainder will be 1. Okay. Therefore இதோட remainder வந்து 8. Okay. So it is similar to saying 1 into 8 by 15 not remainder and because this whole thing will evaluate to like that. So 15 to the power of something plus 1. So that is very as simple as that. So your option is B, k by 15. So k is equal to 8. Okay. The equation of the line passing through this point minus 4, 3, 1 parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus z minus 5 equal to 0 and intersecting the line x plus 3 by minus 3 equal to y minus 3 by 2 equal to z minus 2 by minus 1 is. Okay. இது யார் ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
Sir, this question is deleted, sir.
ஓகே. நான் சந்தான மர்ராஜ் நான் செக் பண்ணேன். இது வந்து this plane is deleted for IIT mains.
Yes,
but
sir.
it is included for IIT advanced.
Yes.
பாத்தீங்களா அத?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
அதனால
for IIT no
moreover it is
deletion,
there in
sir.
your book. I am assuming that you will clear the mains and go to the advanced stage. Okay. So நம்ம planes நம்ம included தான் வெச்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவா?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So anyway, this is covered in your syllabus, இல்லையா? Plane. Right? So you should be able to do it. So ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே இருக்கு இல்லையா? உங்க டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் சிலபஸ்ல plane இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு இல்லையா?
So for me, no, sir. They have deleted from NCERT also.
அப்படியா?
Yes, sir.
பட் ஸ்டேட் போர்ட்ல இருக்கு. ஐ திங்க் ஸ்டேட் போர்டு பீப்புள் அவங்களுக்கு நடத்திருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். கரெக்டா சுந்தரேசன் and others ஸ்டேட் போர்ட் பீப்புள்?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Santana Mariraj, you have to, if you are serious and want to go to the advanced stage, நீங்க the state board book பார்த்து படிச்சுக்கோங்க.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So state board people, so இது எப்படி போடலாம் சொல்லுங்க? Okay. இப்போ the equation, the line passes through this point minus 4, 3, 1 parallel to this plane, okay, and intersects this line. If it intersects this line, there is a point on this line which is also there on the required line. Okay. So நம்ம அதை first எழுதிப்போம். Okay. X plus 1 by minus 3 equal to y minus 3 by 2 equal to z minus 2 by minus 1. Let us say this is equal to some lambda. So any point on this line will be of the form x equal to, I'm just multiplying, x plus 1 divided by minus 3 equal to lambda. அதை solve பண்ணா x equal to minus 3 alpha minus 1. Y equal to 2 lambda plus 3. Z equal to minus lambda plus 2. So any point there is one point on the required line which is in this form. Okay, minus 3 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 3, minus lambda plus 2. Now, it is that line is also passing through minus 4, minus 3, sorry, minus 4, 3, 1. So there is, now we got 2 points on the line, on the required line. This is 1 point, okay, in terms of lambda. This is another point. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட்டை வச்சு can we write the direction coefficients? Okay, if 2 points are there, simply the difference between the respective x and y and z, so that gives you the direction coefficients. Okay, so the direction coefficients of the required line are minus 3 lambda minus 1 plus 4. Okay, I am subtracting this. Okay, 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3, so it is simply 2 lambda, then minus lambda plus 2 minus 1, so I am writing it as plus 1. Okay, plus 2 minus 1, so this also I can simply write it as plus 3. So this is the direction coefficient of the required line in terms of lambda. Now we have to determine lambda. So adukku innoru data point கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It is parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus z minus 5 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus z minus 5. X plus 2y minus z minus 5 equal to 0. So, in the plane, what is the equation of its normal? It's some vector, you know, the normal order direction coefficients enna? These coefficients, that 1, 2 and minus 1, they are the direction coefficients of the normal to the plane. Okay, so the required line or direction coefficients is it is also normal to it is perpendicular to this, because this is the direction coefficient is a normal, but this is parallel to the plane. அப்படினா இது parallel to the plane, இது normal to the plane. அப்படினா இந்த ரெண்டு லைனும் perpendicular to each other. அப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு வெக்டாரோட ப்ராடக்ட் டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் 0 இல்லையா, since they are perpendicular to each other, the vector along this line is this in terms of lambda, the vector along this normal is this. Okay, I to j minus k. So adnala, since these two are perpendicular to each other, their dot product is equal to 0. So that using that we can get the value of lambda. What is the dot product now? Dot So this is the equation we use to solve for lambda. So what is the dot product? 1 into this. So minus 3 lambda plus 3. 2 into 2 lambda. Minus 1 into minus lambda plus 1. Okay. So what do you get? 4 lambda plus lambda, 5 lambda minus 3 lambda. So lambda equal to minus 1. So what next? What is it? The equation of the line is what is asked for. Okay. So the equation of the line is, so now we can determine its DCs. Let's put the direction coefficients. Substitute lambda in the direction coefficients. Minus 3 lambda plus 3. Two lambda minus lambda plus 1. Yeah. So now you have to substitute lambda equal to minus 1. So then you get 3 plus 3. 6 comma minus 2 comma 4. So now this is the direction coefficients of the required line, and we have a point also given, right? It passes through minus 4, 3, 1. So if we know the point and the direction coefficients, then what is the equation of the line? X minus minus 4 divided by its direction coefficient equal to y minus 3 divided by its direction coefficient. Z minus 1 divided by direction coefficient. This is the required line. X plus 4 divided by 6 equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 2 equal to. So which option is that? Just try to match that. So it looks like none of the options are matching, Leah. That is because we can simplify it. Okay. You see the denominators are all divisible by 2. So we can write this as x plus 4 divided by 3 equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 1 equal to z minus 1 by 1. Okay. So now you see which option. Option C, yeah? 3 minus 1 of the denominator, 3 minus 1. x plus 4, y minus 3, z minus 1. So option C matches. Okay. So let's come to the next problem. Consider the இது யாரும் போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? நீங்க யாரும் போட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பீட் அப் பண்ணலாம். யார் போட்டிருக்கிறது? வெரி குட். சந்தானமராஜ். நீங்க சொல்லுங்க எப்படி போட்டீங்க, என்ன ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
சைடுல வந்து 3p plus 2q plus 4r is equal to 0 சார். அதுல வச்சு r ஓட வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சேன் சார். r is equal to minus 3p minus 4q divided by 4 சார். இந்த r ஓட வேல்யூவை நான் அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணேன் சார். px plus qy minus 3p minus 2q divided by 4 whole divided by 4 சார். இதை வச்சு இந்த p and q நான் காமனா எடுத்தேன்னா x minus 3 by 4 and q minus 1 by 2 வருது சார். is equal to 0 வருது. இதை வச்சு இதுல அப்பனா இதோட லைன் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து 3 by 4 and 1 by 2ல வந்து பாயிண்ட் கிடைக்குதுல சார். அப்போ அதனால அது எல்லாமே 3 by 4 and 1 by 2ல வந்து இன்டர்செக்ட் ஆகுது சார்.
Okay.
So the lines are concurrent at the point 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, sir.
Very good, very good. So do the others agree? Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Purida?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks, Santana Meriraj. So it's as simple as this. So like you said, 3p, I'll write it just for the benefit of other people. 4r equal to 0. So you simply divide it by 4. What you get is and the other line given is px. Okay, so since these two are true, you simply compare the coefficients. Okay, so you can say that x equal to 3 by 4, y equal to half. Okay, will satisfy for any all values of p and q when x equal to 3 by 4 and y equal to half. These two equations will be satisfied because simply by matching the coefficients you can determine that. So that means it will pass through this line, so this point. So option A. Very good. Okay, thanks, Santana Meriraj. Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, let's find this limit. Limit is the way I have typed is not that good, so I'm writing it here. Okay, limit y tends to 0, square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus minus root 2 this is the limit that we have to evaluate. So யாராவது ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. So யாரு ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
Sir,
Santana Meriraj. Okay. Has anybody else tried before Santana Meriraj gets going? Sundaresh and Varsha, Shweta, or anybody else?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's go on to Santana Meriraj. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, first substitution method use பண்ணிடலாம் சார். root of 1 plus y power 4 is equal to t ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும் சார். y வந்து y approaching 0 போட்டிருக்காங்க சார். அப்போ root of 1 plus 0 is equal to t னா t approaches 1 வருது சார். So 1 plus அடுத்து நம்ம வந்து y பவர் 4க்கு வந்து t உட வேரியபிள்ல y பவர் 4 எவ்வளோன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் சார். அப்போ 1 + y பவர் 4 is equal to t ஸ்கொயர்னு வரும். இப்போ y பவர் 4 is equal to t ஸ்கொயர் minus 1 சார். ஸோ லிமிட் t approaches 1 root of 1 plus t minus root of 2 divided by t square minus 1. இதுக்கு லிமிட்ஸ் இருக்கும். இதுல வந்து 1 கீழே டினாமினேட்டர்ல நம்ம 1 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோம்னா 0 ஆயிரும் சார். அதனால இதை எலாபிடல் ரூல் படி நம்ம கீழே டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணணும் சார். கீழே உள்ள டேர்மையும் மேலே உள்ள டேர்மையும் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணணும். டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா 1/2 டாட் 1 root of 1 plus t square divided by 2t வரும் சார். இதுல t வந்து இப்போ நம்ம t வந்து 1 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோம்னா 1/4 root 2 வரும் சார். So exists and equal 1/4 root 2 sir.
Exists and equals 1/4 root 2. So okay, good. That's the right answer. Very good, man. Very good. So you are used to an approach. It's quite good. So எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா இந்த approach?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then, do I have to do it? I have done it in a different way. So, let me just do it. So there are multiple ways of doing, all these problems. So, multiple ways, try பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். That way only you will understand all these concepts. Sometimes this method will work, sometimes that method will work. So, ரெண்டு மெத்தடையும் நம்ம similar problems வரும்போது நம்ம கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கணும்னா ரெண்டையுமே ட்ரை பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். You have the time. You should have the time. You should allocate time to try out different approaches. இப்போ இதை நான் எப்படி போட்டேன்னா I multiply by its conjugate, similar to conjugate. In a couple of steps, it becomes, simply, you can substitute and you can get the value. So if you multiply, because it's all having square roots, no? So this process actually simplifies. Becomes simply, this is like a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Minus b square. So numeratorல உள்ள ரெண்டு ரூட் எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு ஒரே ரூட் ஆயிடுச்சு. பட் டினாமினேட்டர் இதுல எவ்வளவு இருக்குது இப்போ? ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் இதுவா இருக்கு. So this becomes square root of 1 plus y power 4 minus 1 divided by this expression. What I want to do is again do the same thing, multiply by so கீழே உள்ளது gets multiplied by this. இப்போ இது என்ன ஆயிடுது? The numerator becomes 1 plus y power 4 minus 1 divided by y power 4 into, இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this y power 4 will get cancelled and this equation become easier to manage. Okay. Now what happens? This gets cancelled. Since that 1 and 1 got cancelled, so it became y4, 4 by y power 4 also get cancelled. And it becomes simply 1 by this expression. If we substitute panna, you won't get 0 by 0. Because we eliminated the y from the numerator. So numerator will simply become 1. Denominator will become square root of 2. Sorry, 1. So this is 1, right? So this is again square root of 2. This is 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1, right? Plus 4 root 2. I think something is wrong. Plus 1. Okay. Square root of 1 plus 1. I think there is something wrong. I am getting 1 by 4 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so we'll check it out. I think I don't know where it is. Everything looks correct. Let me check that. You can also try this method also, and whatever Santana Mira suggested, try to work it out and see where the error is. Either this option is not there, right? There's nothing like 1 by 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Oh, that option is there, you know. So I am getting this 1 by 2 root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Okay. So just check it out, since in another method, Santana Miraj is getting another answer. Just like a homework, please try to do this and see which is correct. Okay. So there are multiple methods. So you can, like I said, you should try out all the methods and see. Okay. Let's go to the next problem. A plane through the intersection of the planes x plus y plus z equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y minus z plus 4 equal to 0 and parallel to y axis also passes through which point? So either are potrikkaradu. Anybody has tried? Okay. See, a plane that passes through intersection of two planes. Okay. The equation of that plane is given by this. It's a simple equation there. I'm just writing as required plane, okay? Equal to, you have to put x plus y plus z minus 1 equal to 0, yeah, adu, plus lambda into the other one. So this is the equation of the required plane. The equation for the plane that passes through the intersection of these two planes. So simply rewrite this. So what is the x coefficient? 1 plus 2 lambda into x. Right? I'm simply grouping x, 2 lambda x. So 1 plus 2 lambda x. Similarly, 1 plus 3 lambda y plus 1 minus lambda z minus 1 plus 4 lambda. Okay, so this is the equation of the required plane, and it says it is parallel to y-axis. That means, so we know that once it is given like this, their direction coefficients are these: 1 plus 2 lambda, 1 plus 3 lambda, 1 minus lambda. So these are the direction coefficients. Since it is parallel to y-axis, the direction coefficient for y-axis is 0. So simply put 1 plus 3 lambda equal to 0 to get the value of lambda. Okay. This will problem number 77. And now you substitute the lambda in this, and then see it passes through which point, right? 4 points are given. So we have to put x, y, z and check which point really passes through this plane. So therefore the equation of the plane namme ipo pottalam. One plus 2 lambda, 1 minus 2 by 3. Or x by 3, okay, plus 1 plus 3 lambda, so that is 0. This 1 plus 1 minus lambda, so that means 4 by 3, plus 4 minus 4 by 3 minus 1. Minus 4 by 3 minus 1. So it simply becomes this, okay? Or we can multiply by 3 and write it as x plus 4z minus 7 equal to 0. Okay. Now it's a matter of substitution. Minus 3, 0, minus 1. So anyway, y is not at all there. So all you have to do is substitute for x and z. So minus 3, minus 1. Either panna minus 3, minus 7. Minus 7. It's not matching. Minus 3, 1, 1. Not matching. அடுத்தது 3 3 minus 1. 3 plus 12.
Sir, 3 minus 4, sir.
3 plus 4 into, oh, okay. Minus 4. Yeah. 3 minus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. So that is also not matching. So what is the other one? 3 2 1. Three, 2 put up, 4 2s are. இதுமே வரலையா? Three, 2, 1 வரணும். 3 plus 4
3
is
plus 4, sir.
Sir, is that value 1, sir?
3 plus 4, ma, correct.
Minus 7.
3 plus 4. So it's a match up. 3 plus 4 minus 7 equal to 0. Okay.
Sir, no, sir.
Sir, option 4,
Option 4.
is that value 1, sir?
3 plus 4 minus 7. Okay. So option 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's go to the next problem. This is potrikkinga. Shade denotes acute angle between two curves. Okay. Y equal to 10 minus x square and y equal to 2 plus x square. And find out tan A.
Sir, option B, sir.
Option
8
B. 8 by 15. Okay, very good. So, you want to explain? Yaar potrikkiradhu?
Tino, sir.
Tino, very good, Tino. Can you explain? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, first we want to first equation want to divide differentiate, sir, and second equation also want to differentiate, sir. We can get m1 and m2, sir.
Okay.
For tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, sir.
Very good, very good. That's all you have to do. Very good. So what answer did you get? 8 by 15.
Yes, sir.
Good. So everybody followed? See,
Yes.
at the between the curves at the point of intersection, right? At the point of intersection, y equal to 10 minus x square and y equal to 2 plus x square, they match. Okay? So that means 10 minus x square equal to 2 plus x square. This is the additional thing that you have to do in addition to what you said, Tino. Here you get 2x square plus 2 minus 10 equal to 0. 2x square plus 2 minus 10. 2x square equal to 8. X equal to plus or minus 2. Right? X equal to plus or minus 2. If we should do what Tino just now said. So first the differentiate panna, you get minus 2x. Curve 1. dy by dx is minus 2x. So that means, so plus or minus 4. So its slope, the curve one's slope of tangent can be plus 4 or minus 4. Similarly, curve 2, 2x, yeah, dy by dx equal to 2x. So, you put plus or minus 2, you get plus 4 or minus 4. So that means basically one tangent is plus 4 and the other is minus 4. So that is what we say from here. So there are two tangents that can be drawn. Okay. So for the first curve, if it is 4, the second curve it is minus 4, or first can be minus 4 and plus 4. So now we have to simply apply that formula that Tino just now said. So let us say 4 and minus 4. Okay. So then angle between the line tan A equal to tan, let us say x ன்னு வெச்சுப்போம். x வேணாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து p ன்னு வெச்சுப்போம், அல்லது q ன்னு வெச்சுப்போம். tan p plus minus minus 4 divided by 1 plus tan p tan q. So this is what is asked for. So the angle between the two curves. So simply we have to simplify this. 8 divided by minus 8 by 50. Four plus 4 divided by
Sir, modulus.
Modulus, right. So it can be, that's why it can be plus or minus 8 by 15. Okay. So we can choose the option okay. So it can be plus or minus 8 by 15. So the option given is 8 by 15, right? So option B is correct. $79 is a problem in matrix, so I could not type it. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. Given that matrix A equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now we have to find out a to the power of minus 50. Then theta equal to pi by 12. Okay. So what is a to the power of minus 50? That is same as, you can write like this, inverse to the power of 50. So that is what we write as a to the power of minus 50. If it's written like that, no. So it is actually take inverse and then take 50. Yara put problem. Anybody tried this? Okay. So inverse first. So what is the inverse of this matrix? So for that you have to write first the minor matrix, right? This is the minor matrix. Adjoint straight away. Adjoint is cos theta. Is already sin theta, so we write it as minus sin theta. So this is minus sin theta, we write as sin theta. So this is cos theta. So we see that adjoint is same as the given matrix. Okay. And therefore inverse is its transpose.
Sir, adjoint correct, sir?
Correct now. Take the minus and you have to apply the signs, right? இதோடது மைனஸ் சைன் தீட்டா, இதோடது காஸ் தீட்டா. இதான் வந்து மைனர் இல்லையா? ஸோ மைனர்ல நம்ம சைன் அப்ளை பண்ணோம். இங்கே எது நெகட்டிவ், இங்கேயும் நெகட்டிவ் வரும். இது ரெண்டும் பாசிட்டிவ். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ ஹவ் டன். ஓகே, adjoint will be this. Okay, so the inverse will be so 1 by determinant. Determinant is again 1. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So what remains is its transpose. So that means cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So this is your inverse matrix. Okay, so inverse matrix is same as its transpose matrix. Okay. Now we have to take find out the 50th power of this one. Okay, so let's see inverse square பண்ணி பார்ப்போம் first. It's got a special property. This matrix, you would have seen in your book. It is a special type of matrix. Okay. Let's try to square it. So again, to square cos square theta minus sin square theta. So you get cos 2 theta. இது எடுத்துட்டோம்னா இந்த term வந்து first into second இல்லையா? So cos theta sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. So that means this is sin 2 theta. So in the term வந்து second row first column, second row into first column, minus cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. So minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So in the term வந்து second and second. So இது. So cos square theta minus sin square theta. So if you see, its square is simply replacing theta by 2 theta. Now do its cube, you'll find that it follows the pattern. Like I said, it's a special type of matrix. So you see, this is cos 2 theta cos theta minus sin 2 theta sin theta. So that is cos 2 theta plus theta, cos 3 theta. So you can see everything will be like that. Cos 3 theta sin 3 theta minus sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. So this is the special property of this matrix. Okay, so அதனால இதே மாதிரி if you do it for the 50th power, so what you will get is (50 theta sin 50 theta minus sin 50 theta cos 50 theta. So this is the matrix that we require. And now we will substitute theta equal to pi by 12. So substitute theta equal to pi by 12. So 50 divided by, so cos 50 by 12, 50 pi by 12. Sin 50 pi by 12 minus sin 50 pi by 12. Cos 50 pi by 12. So what is cos 50 pi by 12 is equal to what in simple terms? How we can simplify this? So this is
4 pi plus pi by 6.
4 pi plus 2 pi by 12 or pi by 6. So 4 pi we can remove, that is 2 full circles. So we can simply put it as pi by 6. So what is cos pi by 6?
By 2.
3 by 2. Cos 30 degree, right?
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Is it better now? Hello? Hello? Is everybody facing the problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, kindly excuse me. 3 by 2. So if you put the values, this is what you get. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. So that is the option we have to choose. Okay. So I think I did not write down the options. Yeah. So there are 4 options given. The options are like this.
Option C, sir.
That comes to option C. Yeah, good. Good. In the question paper it is there. Okay. Option C. Okay. Very good. So we are problem number 80. Okay. So it looks like we need one more day, right? So 10 problems மேல போட முடியல நம்ம ஸ்பீடுக்கு. Want to continue and do some more problems, or we'll continue on Tuesday, Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think, yeah, it's fair enough. So one and a quarter hours side. So there are anyway 10 more problems. So we'll continue on Wednesday. We have a next class on Wednesday. Hopefully we'll complete this on that day. And again, this is another opportunity. I want better, effort from you people. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் try பண்ணிட்டு வரணும் இந்த problem. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Okay. So let's break now. We'll see you on Wednesday, day after tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.